How to add voiceovers to Canva's presentation slide. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add voiceovers to your presentation slides on Canva. Let's get started. So as you guys can see, I have a project open right here, and here are a few of its slides. Now if you want to add your voiceover, then what you want to do is on the left side of your screen you can see different tabs. Head over to uploads, and here you will see something like record yourself. You will just have to click on it, and once you record yourself, you can allow your microphone, and as you can see here, well, as I'm talking, there is this blue line that's going back and forth. This is your voice waveform, and if you have allowed your camera, it should record you from on this part of your screen as well. Now, if you want to start your voiceover, just click on record. So I'm just going to click on record now. Now it will give you a countdown. This presentation is going to be about our business project. So I've said a short introduction of what this presentation is going to be about. Now if I play it, you guys should hear it. So let me just play this. This presentation is going to be about our business project. So as you guys saw there, this video voiceover has been set to this particular slide. Now you can just click select your next slide if you want, or add notes from here. And once you are done, you can click on save and exit. You can. So this is how you can add voiceovers to your Canva presentation. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.